Problem 2-27. Copy and complete the stem and leaf plot as right for the following set of data. So in this problem, we need to complete a stem and leaf plot and for the numbers given. And I need you to pause the video to make sure you copy the directions saying copying the problem. So when we do stem and leaf plot, each number is split into two parts. So the stem will be one part, and usually it's the first digit or digits, and then the leaf will be the last digit. So last digit. Now all our numbers are made out of 2 digits. So looking at the key right now, let me just write it down. So digits plus digit, and then this is the beginning. The stem will be the beginning digit. Digit. So if we're looking at the key, so they started. So how did they split 12? So the 1 is on the left side of this line that they created, and 2 is on the right side. So 1 belongs to the stem and 2 belongs to the leaf. So our data, our set of data are given to us scramble. So what we want to do is we want to order the numbers from least to greatest on your paper, and then we can split and use the chart. So the split line is the line that you're going to draw, and we're going to split for the beginning digit being the stem and the last digit being the leaf. So pause the video and order the numbers given from least to greatest. So looking at the first two numbers, the 12 and 17, I'm gonna look at how they did it. So the 1 is already there, so that's the 1, and the 2 is there on the other side. So the place of the tens is the 1 that you see, the stem, and then the leaf is the 2, and then the 7. Now when we're listing the numbers, we have commas, but here we don't have a comma. Just like after the 2 they have a 7, it's just with a little bit of space. So right now together this means we have the 12 and the 17. So these are already done. So I'm going to do 23 and later 24. So 2 is in the stem, so I'm looking at the 2, which is right here, and then I'm just gonna copy the 3 on the other side. So together is 23. Now there's no other number starting with the 2 in the place of the 10, so I'm gonna move on to 34. And then again 3 will be the stem, so I'm gonna find the 3, and then the 4 will go on the other side. So together it says 34. So this is basically the pattern. I'm going to do 2 more, and then you're going to try on your own. Let me use a different color. So I see 45 and then 45. So those are repeating. So I'm going to write, so I'm going to be at the 4 for the 4 in the place of the tens, and then I'm going to write the 5, that's for the first number 45, and I'm going to write 5 again, that is for the second 45. So when they repeat, we do need to organize the data as well. So I hope that video helped you. Go ahead and continue using that pattern, and what you are doing, it's called stem and leaf plot, which we are again splitting the beginning digit, or in this case is the place of the tens value, and then the leaf is the place of the ones.